Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we've got major company, Seprod Limited, coming out with a management change. Mr. Jeffrey Solomon has resigned as the General Manager, the GM of Jamaica Grain and Cereals Limited, effective August 31st, 2021. Now, the Seprod team says Mr. Solomon joined the group in 2016, done a credible job. They wish him well. And for those of you who don't know, this is the big time flour company that got executed, got done, and moved on. And see that in the marketplace, the Gold Seal brand. That's what Mr. Solomon led here, and Seprod as a part of that expansion 2016 until just the other day, about a week ago. Next up, we've got Proven Investments coming out with a company advisory here, ticker symbol PIL. The sale of their shares in Dream Entertainment is a 20% stake that they've offloaded here or agreed to sell. Now, Proven actually states that they've entered into an agreement with a company, Jamaican domiciled incorporated, called ItsMoneyMark Limited on July 9th, 2021. Now, the agreement is to exit its investment in Dream totally, transfer its entire shareholding, that's at 20% associate stake, and the transaction has now been completed. Now, the advisor goes on to say the directors and principals of ItsMoneyMark are well-known notable attorney Sean Shelton, Ryan Reed, and Dr. Michael Banbury, directors, shareholders in First Rock. Now, a lot of the market speculating, why has Proven done this? They don't usually exit investments. But what we do know is whenever Proven would come out with their quarterly results, and given COVID-19, the pandemic, it's understandable for Dream's performance. But whenever they came with the quarterly results, the headline in terms of the media or the public relations, it was always about this investment. And really and truly, from an analytical standpoint, Dream is not really a significant investment to Proven, but with the power of Dream's brand, it dominated the headlines. Now, Caribbean Producers Jamaica Limited, a change in management. Quite a lot of management toss-ups and changes on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, jamstockx.com this week. The board of directors wishes to advise that Mr. Vivek Gambier, Chief Financial Officer, CFO or CPJ, is no longer employed to the company. End of August 31st, 2021. Now, Mr. Christopher Miles is now confirmed in the position of Director of Finance and will be the new head of the Finance Division for Caribbean Producers. RJR Radio Jamaica had those huge results, now declaring a dividend. The board of directors got together September 6, 2021 and declared a dividend, Jamaican 2 cents per share. The payment date is going to be mid-October, October 15th, 2021. AMG Packaging and Paper Company are trading in their shares on the buy side here. Quite a substantial buy. We haven't seen too much corporate action items from AMG. So a connected party purchased a total 1.35 million shares or so on September 1st, 2021. Now, this is something that we haven't seen for pretty much years, but now we're noticing all of a sudden all the company advisories are saying like a price that the shares are bought at, as well as a percentage. We're not sure if it's a new Jamaica Stock Exchange rule, but we like it. It's transparency in the market. This is Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery.